Welcome to the OTech Talks podcast, where it's all about working on Oracle technologies. You will hear the latest Oracle tech information, and your host, Kashif Manzoor, brings together product overviews, how-tos, best practices, tips and tricks, and troubleshooting techniques.
Hi everyone, here is Kashif Manzoor from OTechTalks.tv. Today we are meeting once again after a break of 6-7 months. The reason behind was that I took a personal decision to move out from my current job to another organization, and then it took a time to settle down in a new organization. Everybody knows about it, that in the initial months it takes time to adjust with the environment and put some efforts on what is my role and what I'm going to do with. So after settling down on the organization, I'm back with my fellow Oracle community members. But I just want to mention once again and that whatever I'm going to talk here, those are my personal views. So let's once again read out the disclaimer which was put on OTech.tv. It's also updated to reflect my current organization and the position on whatever I'm going to talk. The opinions expressed here represent solely my own personal conjecture based upon experience, practice, and observation, and does not represent the thoughts, intentions, plans, or strategies of my current and previous employers and their clients' customers. The comments left by the reviewers are theirs alone and may not reflect my opinion, whether implied or not. None of the advice is warranted to be free of errors and omissions. The views expressed on this blog are my own and do not necessarily reflect the views of Oracle. All tweets should be assumed part of the Oracle Employee hashtag, as I am an Oracle employee. So that was the standard statements which we have put in place in OTechTalks.tv. And as I'm an employee of Oracle now, so I need to be very careful what I'm talking. So all views, all suggestions, talks are my personal. So today, what I'm going to take it up as a topic, because in the Middle East we know our primary application is Oracle E-Business Suite. So Oracle has also put up option for our customers, for us to move Oracle E-Business Suite on Oracle Public Cloud. So I thought we talk on what are the options available and how we can move our existing e-business suite footprint, or we can avail a new instance on Oracle Cloud. So the point number one is Oracle e-business suite on Oracle Cloud is the same application, whatever we are running on premise in our data centers, in our premise. That's the version of like Oracle release 12.2.5 at the moment is the latest, so that we can move to Oracle Cloud. Running e-business suite on Oracle Cloud infrastructure as a platform as a service PaaS offering. In the PaaS offering, we will be getting Oracle Compute Cloud and then Oracle plus Oracle Database Cloud Service. So that's how it categorizes in the cloud computing environment. So in simple words, we will not be using our own hardware servers for e-business suite. Instead, we will take from Oracle and we will deploy our e-business suite on the cloud. But the management will be with us. Another important point is Oracle e-business suite is on the cloud is not a SaaS offering, software as a service offering. It's just as a platform as a service on which we are taking our e-business suite to Oracle Public Cloud. Whereas if we are customers and if you are looking for software as a service solution, then there is another option to go to Oracle HCM Cloud, Oracle ERP Cloud, like a Fusion application to subscribe and get that one. That's a new state-of-the-art application built from scratch to run on the cloud with the new enhanced capabilities and the technology. So the benefits are that it will enable us to reduce the cost on the infrastructure which we need to put, like buying a hardware and then placing on the data center or any server room. So that's one of the benefit to move and reduce our time and cost on projects. And then it will also enable us to meet our growth requirement, and then we can increase even our productivity within the organization. So what we can do, whatever the solution we have on premise, like eBusiness Suite. So if anyone want to look into the option that what if you want to move eBusiness Suite into Oracle Cloud, what are the prerequisites? So first of the point is, what are the prerequisites? Prerequisites are that we should have Oracle Compute Cloud Services subscription. What does it mean? Because on-premise we need a server and a storage to run eBusiness Suite, to install eBusiness Suite. Similarly, on cloud, we need Oracle Compute Cloud Services. Basically, it gives us like a machine, our environment hosted on Oracle Cloud, which will enable us to install and operate eBusiness Suite. Now, if you don't have any information on Oracle Compute Cloud and all that we can talk on next session. So these are the prerequisites. And then on the licensing point of view, whatever the licenses we will have on-premise, same will apply on the public cloud. So customer has to bring their own licenses to move to Oracle Public Cloud for eBusiness Suite. Demo install images and the fresh install images from the marketplace, or another option will be available to get development tools or EBS operating system only images. So all these are options available from marketplace. So once we will get a compute cloud, then we can provision, we can install demo and fresh eBusiness Suite from the marketplace. So we don't need to separately download from eDelivery and then take into cloud, which usually we were doing it in case of on-premise, that we were downloading eBusiness Suite media from the eDelivery website, and then we need to prepare a stage, and then we were installing it on our servers. That's another point. And then it will help us to do a quick provisioning, that if we need eBusiness Suite instance, a fresh instance quickly, we just need to subscribe to the compute cloud and storage services of Oracle Cloud, and then we are ready to move and install eBusiness Suite. And even we can do another option that's called as lift and shift. In this case, we can move our environments in on Oracle Cloud. So that will enable us to migrate Oracle eBusiness Suite. Another key point is, do I need to bring my own licenses? The answer is yes, because you will be using your on-premise licenses for moving ERP eBusiness Suite to Oracle Cloud. And once we will get Oracle Compute Cloud, then we will be entitled to access Cloud Marketplace, where already ready-made images of eBusiness Suite are available. So we just need to get them and install it. So that's a process, and very, very user-friendly tutorials are already built and available. And another key question is, can I move my customization to Oracle Cloud? Yes, because whatever we already invested on-premise eBusiness Suite, we can move to on cloud within the eBusiness Suite, because that's our environment and we are the owner on that. So these are the few of the common questions and approach I have discussed, that you can move eBusiness Suite to Oracle Cloud. What I will do, I will put the relevant documents and tutorials link on OTech Talks, so that you can access them and you can try out how you can install, how you can provision, how you can move even your existing on-premise eBusiness Suite to Oracle Cloud. So because on the podcast we cannot talk step-by-step installations and all that, but all the information is available. So we'll put on the podcast notes, so you can access very easily. The supported version as of now on the eBusiness Suites are eBusiness Suite release 12.2, 12.2.3 and later, with the ADT-XK core level Delta 7. And then on the Oracle eBusiness Suite release 12.1.3, that's our source system. And as an operating system, we can move from Oracle Linux, Red Hat Linux, x86 64 to, it will go on the Oracle Cloud with the operating system Oracle Linux 6 update 7 with the x86 64 architecture. So to summarize, offering of eBusiness Suite to Oracle Cloud, we can say there are three options available. One is take Oracle infrastructure as a service, which we are talking as Oracle Compute Cloud. In this case, we will do administration as a customer. We will be doing our EBS database and application administration. So we are solely responsible for overall eBusiness Suite installation and management. Only the infrastructure, the machine, the compute cloud will be with Oracle. And we will be paying a separate cost for the compute cloud. Other than that, we will be taking our on-premise licenses to cloud. Then another option is available that if we want to take infrastructure and then database as a service. So what we will do, we will run eBusiness Suite application tier on Oracle Compute Cloud. And then on the database side, we will take Oracle Database Cloud service. And in this case, the DBCS will be managed by Oracle Operations. And then we will be continuing administration on EBS application tier. And then there is another third option is also available if you want to go with Oracle Managed Cloud Services option for EBS application management. So then we can take to that route. But primarily on technology wise, options are available. So our DBA friends and application administrations and all that, there's nothing technology level changed. It's only just putting your eBusiness Suite into Oracle Cloud and a different infrastructure, taking as a platform as a service model, and then using it. So these are the benefits on that. There are a number of that we can support the growth of the environment. We can quickly provision the infrastructure. We don't need to wait a longer cycle of procurement of servers and then buying them and then starting raw material type of installation on OS and all that stuff. So that's lower our costs overall. So these are the benefits on that. So we can support our business opportunities if they want to roll out quickly, they want to launch a new business model where they need a quick support from eBusiness Suite point of view, application point of view. So all those things are helping us when our environment is on Oracle Cloud. So technology wise, I already described you how we can move it. So thank you very much with this podcast. This is maybe on high level, but it's just give you a heads up that the option is available. And then in the next blogs or on the podcast, we will review technically how we can move our existing environment to the cloud and then what are the different technical steps are involved. Thank you so much for listening. Have a good time. God bless you and bless all of us.
Thanks for listening to the OTech Talks podcast and be part of Tech Talks at otechtalks.tv. It's a turf to share ideas, insights, and innovations.